Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how you can set emergency information. It can be very useful in terms when you had an accident or even when you lost your phone, because it helps the person to contact people like your relatives or any other people that can help you. It also helps the person in possession of your phone to contact you. Let's get started. Go through your phone to find the Settings app and press on it. Press where it's written My Phone, which is at the top. Scroll down to find where it's written Emergency Information. On the new interface you are seeing, it's where you will be able to set all information about yourself and even some people they can contact in case you had an accident or even lost your phone. This information is accessible on the lock screen by pressing on Emergency, then on Emergency Information. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.